this video, let me explain you about data visualization using Tableau and here how it works. And first, let me explain you about chart table. So this is the first concept over here. So basically, the easiest way to find the requirements for each chart we want is basically hovering it over here. So first, this is chart table. For text tables, you have one dimension and one measure. So we'll be arranging it according to that. So consider one dimension. Dimension basically means the alphabets, like row columns, and measures basically means the rows. So dimensions are that blue color are termed as the alphabets, and green color are termed as the numbers. Okay, so I'll be putting it according to that. Considering I'll be considering state. This is actually the global superstore data set, and so first the thing is we have to connect data source right here. So take the minimum data source. So there is no need for filtering and all. Okay. So I've taken a 50 and then further I have dropped my state over there. And then for I'm arranging in this side. So I want at least one profit over here, right? So consider I'm putting a profit over here. So after that I'll be putting my sales over here. So if that is the case, and I'm again doing this in this state. So this is basically my like my profit and sales according to each state, right? So considering that, I can be adding colors that is differentiate between the like least and the highest, right? So I'll be putting the profit for color. So if that is the case, I'll be getting with these colors, right? So since this color is not visible, I'll be editing the colors such that you can understand in a very good manner. So orange, okay. So if this is the case, we'll be seeing according to that. So if you want to do according to country too, you can be like, yeah, I have categories like country. So I'll be putting it over here and see country according to state and profit, and the profit is according to the color. So this is what we have created using this chart table. Okay, so shall I move to the next? And I think the next thing is basically heat maps. So heat maps, we must be creating a map. Like for map we need at least one geographical locations and zero or more dimensions and 0 or 2. So I'll be creating this. Okay. Considering that I'll be having one zero. So one zero can be either state or country. I'll be considering the state. Okay, considering state will be like, okay. So considering state, this is all about state. And then in that state, if I do want to show my heat map according to the sales, I'll be like, so since in heat maps, like with the darker theme, basically denotes higher amount of sales, and the lighter theme basically means a lighter amount of sales. Okay, so in that I want to label the profit over there, and I want to label the state over there also. So I'll be trying the state and we'll putting it. That is all. So heat map is also ready over here. And then I hope everyone is clear about that. Is everyone clear about that? The next sheet will be dealing with pyramids. So pyramids is basically created using two values and one like thing like using pyramid. I'll be having like two values of the same numerical values and one with alphabetical values, like two numerical values with same values and one alphabetical values. Considering two numerical values, I'll be considering the profit over here and the profit 2 here, and then like I'll be considering the region over here, and that is all. So I'll be like whatever you want the data you can bear using. So in this for pyramid, watch carefully. So here profit here, right? So edit axis and then reversed the thing which we must do here, and then close it and then sort it in a different order. That was all we get a pyramid chart. That was okay. So I hope everyone is clear with this. And then let me move on to the next topic, which is dashboard. So dashboard is basically creating something based on what you want, like a collection of something. Dashboard is a collection of all the charts which you have made, right? So let's make the chart for dashboard. So for heat maps, you have one dimension or two measures, right? So we have one dimension, like one dimension, two measures. For dimension, we'll be considering state. Let's consider state. And for measures, let us consider the profit. So here itself we got this and discount quality something. So I want this map, so I got this. That is in heat map, right? So the next thing is I want this highlight tables. So in that I want one dimension, one measure. So region with the profit. So consider this. So that is this, and then I want this one geographical location. One geographical location is more than enough, right? So state. I'll be considering state. One dimension, one or more dimension like measures, profit, quantity. So this is basically the thing which I get for symbol maps. Okay. So quantity, I'll be choosing on color, label or something like that. And I'll be putting state as label. That is all. So this is how I get for symbol maps. Okay. So the next thing is I'm going to try for maps like this map. So I'm gonna open new sheet and we have created heat maps for this, right? We can attach that. So no need for creating separately for pie chart. One dimension, one or two measures. So one dimension is basically I'm gonna take this and one or two measures and not add or do anything like for measures. I'm doing for pie chart, right? So choose wisely because your chart might move in a different manner. So like choose something which is really less in something like that. Considering region by region, so this is far more better than previous thing. So like adjust according to that, and then horizontal bars. So for horizontal bars, you want zero dimensions measures. So I'm going to create with one measure. Okay, so this is really acquired. So filter that is all. So next stacked bar, one dimension, one or more meshes. Region meshes. Stacked bar. That is all. Then one side by side bars, one or more dimension, one or more measures. So you can get it. Requires at least three fields. So there's you'll be getting the side by side bar. That is also next lines. So like you can make any chart like this. So this is really awkward. Bubble chart or something. Some such like circle views, side by side circles. So with this, I'll be creating a dashboard. Like with this itself, it's really enough. So if you want to add more sheets, you can. So now I have created a dashboard for dashboard. See five data worksheet and dashboards here, right? So here we must create new dashboard and drop your sheets here. So I'll be dropping these sheets here, which I want over here. So I want this, and I want this. So I want this, I want this, I want this. So this is what we have created, right? So we must try to change the width and height such that it is clearly visible. So like we must change according to our position and our desire. So if you want like to add this, add that, and if you want to reduce this is reduce it, and add some other things which you really want to be. Sorry, which you really wanted it to be. So dashboard is basically here. So pyramid, I have such things. I not have this right. So let me drop it here. I have stacked a bar here. Like I want such thing. Like I not have here too. So how I want, you can basically. Like this is a sort of messy, but if you try to make it a really clean way, you can. Okay. So this is stacked bar and change the like position according to you want. If you want like to move it over here, like you can. If you want to remove this, you can. If you want to enlarge it, you can. So this is a map, and if you want to move somewhere, you can. So see, you can be moving it anywhere you want. So that is about this, and so if you want like to make it in a clean way, just go on. So I'm just explaining you how to. That is all. So thank you for watching this video. Fully, thank you.